1.3.1 11 Labs. 11 Labs was founded in 2022 by two Poles, Piotr Domkowski, a former Google engineer dealing with machine learning, and Mati Staniszewski, a former implementation strategist at Palantir. They wanted to create more realistic film dubbings, which resulted from watching incorrectly dubbed American films. 11 Labs' main product is text-to-speech software that enables the creation of realistic voices by synthesizing emotions and intonation. The company is developing technology that allows you to adjust the intonation and pace of speech depending on the context. Users can upload text and generate audio files with a selection of default voices, and paying users have the ability to create new voice timbres using the company's voice cloning tool. In June 2023, 11 Labs introduced its AI-powered speech recognition tool, followed by the announcement of Projects in July, a feature specifically designed to facilitate the creation of long-form spoken content, such as audiobooks. By August, the company had expanded its voice generation capabilities to support 28 languages, and in October, it launched AI Dubbing, a tool that enables speech translation into more than 20 languages. 11 Labs has found applications across a diverse range of industries, from podcasting and video games to audiobooks and film dubbing. Since its inception, the company has attracted over 1 million registered users by June 2023. However, its powerful voice replication capabilities have also sparked ethical concerns, with some voicing apprehensions about the potential misuse of this technology for voice mimicry. To address these concerns, 11 Labs has established clear usage guidelines strictly prohibiting voice cloning for purposes such as fraud, discrimination, hate speech, or online abuse. The company emphasizes its commitment to ethical standards, working closely with law enforcement agencies and reporting any illegal activities in accordance with applicable laws. The website has a very clear and user-friendly interface that allows easy navigation. It is divided into two main sections: Research and Products. Research, text-to-speech. 11 Labs transforms text from 29 languages into incredibly realistic-sounding speech using AI and offers over 70 different voices to choose from. Once you have created your voice recordings, you can download them as MP3 files that you can easily use in any project. AI voices at 11 Labs have exceptional audio quality of 128 kilobits per second and can generate large amounts of content, up to 2 million characters per month, with the option to purchase more characters if demand increases. This makes 11 Labs perfect for producing audiobooks, podcasts, and more. Additionally, the voices are extremely natural, offering a wide range of emotions and accents that sound almost real. Moreover, the voice tuner function in the settings allows you to adjust the stability, clarity, and style of your voice, giving you full control over the end result. Speech-to-speech. The 11 Labs Speech-to-speech voice changer tool lets users transform their own voice recordings into different voices with nuanced control over delivery, emotions, timing, and inflection. It allows customization of vocal characteristics for high-quality, expressive outputs across 29 languages. Users can record or upload audio and apply AI-driven changes to match specific stylistic needs. Text to sound effects. This tool allows users to create custom sound effects by describing them in text form. This AI-driven tool can generate unique sounds such as environmental noises, instrumental tracks, or specific sound effects by interpreting detailed descriptions. It delivers high-quality, royalty-free audio files that are ready for immediate use in projects, speeding up the creative process with instant, adjustable sample generation. Voice cloning. Voice cloning lets users create a high-quality, AI-generated replica of any voice, capturing its unique tone, inflection, and emotional depth. It offers two main options: instant voice cloning, which requires just a few minutes of audio, and professional voice cloning, providing high-fidelity voices suited for videos, audiobooks, and gaming. Users can fine-tune the style and emotional delivery, while security features protect voice data throughout the process. Voice Isolator. The Voice Isolator tool is designed to extract clear speech from audio files by removing background noise and enhancing vocal quality. Users can upload audio recordings or record directly within the platform to isolate dialogue from unwanted sounds, such as street noise or microphone feedback. This tool is particularly useful for post-production in film, podcasts, and interviews, ensuring that vocal tracks are crisp and professional. Projects. The Projects section of 11 Labs allows users to manage and showcase their audio creations. Users can organize various audio projects, track progress, and easily access tools like voice cloning, text-to-speech, and sound effects within individual projects. This feature streamlines the workflow for creators, facilitating collaboration and iteration on audio content across different formats. VoiceOver Studio. VoiceOver Studio enables users to create professional-quality voiceovers effortlessly. It integrates advanced AI voice technologies to generate audio that sounds natural and engaging. Users can select different voice styles, adjust pacing and emotion, and fine-tune their projects for various applications, such as videos, presentations, or podcasts. Voice Library. Voice Library features a collection of diverse AI-generated voices that users can browse and utilize for various projects. It showcases a range of styles, tones, and languages, allowing creators to find the perfect voice for their audio content. Users can also contribute their voices, enhancing the community-driven aspect of the library. This resource is invaluable for filmmakers, podcasters, and content creators seeking high-quality voiceovers. 11 Reader app. 11 Reader is an application that allows you to listen to any text, articles, or PDF files. It contains hundreds of different realistic AI voices that can elevate your listening experience. It also has the option to self-publish your stories. The website has a free trial period. Then prices, depending on the program, range from $5 to $1,320 per month. The Legal and Safety section of 11 Labs covers essential topics, including data rights, usage policies, and geographical restrictions. Key points include data access. Users can request access to their data through a Data Subject Request (DSR). Commercial use. Free plan users cannot publish generated content commercially. Voice restrictions. There are specific no-go voices to prevent misuse. Geographical limitations. Access is restricted from certain countries, including Belarus, Cuba, and Russia. On the website, you will find the Help product, 11 Labs, and the Guide Introduction, 11 Labs, with a detailed description of all the possibilities offered by the 11 Labs website. The Help tab has a built-in chatbot that will answer your questions. We can also visit the 11 Labs GitHub, where we will gain access to documentation, updates, and codes. 11 Labs also has its own server on the Discord 11 Labs platform. However, if we need a video, we can easily find it on YouTube. How to use 11 Labs. Best text-to-speech AI voices. Full guide. 1.3.2 Google Docs. In Google Docs and Google Slides, you can use your voice to create and edit content with the voice typing and captioning tools. This feature works seamlessly on up-to-date versions of Chrome, Edge, and Safari. When activated, the browser processes your spoken words through its built-in speech-to-text capabilities and transmits the converted text directly to your document or presentation. This provides an efficient, hands-free way to work, especially beneficial for real-time captions and speaker notes in presentations. How to use. Step 1. Turn on your microphone. To use voice typing or voice commands, your computer microphone needs to be on and working. Step 2. Use voice typing. To start voice typing in Google Docs, first ensure your microphone is functioning. Open a document in a supported browser and go to Tools Voice Typing. When the microphone icon appears, click it and begin speaking at a normal volume and pace. Be clear and consistent in your speech for best results. When you finish, click the microphone icon again to stop voice input. For more on punctuation, see additional tips in Google Docs. To start voice typing for speaker notes in Google Slides, also make sure your microphone is working. In a Chrome browser, open your presentation, select Tools greater than Dictate Speaker Notes to open the Speaker Notes section and display the microphone icon. Click the microphone to begin speaking at a normal pace and volume. When finished, click the microphone again to stop. For detailed guidance on punctuation, refer to the tips provided in Google Slides. If you make an error while using voice typing, you can correct it by moving the cursor to the mistake and editing without stopping the microphone. Once corrected, place the cursor back where you want to continue dictating. For additional suggestions, right-click on words underlined in gray. You can use different phrases to add punctuation to your text. Punctuation might not be available in every language. Step 3. Use voice commands. After you start voice typing, you can use commands to edit and format your document. For example, select paragraph, italics, or go to the end of the line. Tips: voice commands are available only in English. The account language and document language must both be English. Voice commands are not available in slide speaker notes. More info in this YouTube video. Type and edit with your voice. Google Docs editors help. Voice typing is also possible using Google Assistant. To use this, you just need to have software newer than Pixel 6 or Android 12. To enable or disable voice typing in the Assistant on your phone or tablet, open an app with text input, such as Messages or Gmail, tap the text field, go to Settings at the top of the keyboard, then select Voice Typing and toggle it on or off. Voice typing in the Assistant automatically improves based on your corrections, storing these updates only on your device for a more personalized experience. YouTube video: use Google Assistant to type with your voice. Gboard help. 1.4. AI and work automation. Automation has always been a big player in the tech world and the way our economies run. But there are key moments when it really made waves, like during the Industrial Revolution. In the late 1700s, factories started bringing in machines. Why? Easy. More output, lower costs, and less reliance on human labor. Makes total sense for business owners, but not so great for the workers. Cue the Luddites. Those guys literally smashed looms because the machines were taking their jobs. Fast forward to the 1980s, and General Motors faced major pushback too when automation led to mass layoffs. But it's not just about automation. Anytime a better tool comes along, it means less work for us, or animals, poor horses. The better the tool, the less we're needed for that task. Sure, some jobs vanish, but new ones pop up too. What changes is what we do. In the UK, for example, 50 years ago, about 25% of jobs were in manufacturing. Today, just 10%. Meanwhile, the service sector has exploded and now makes up over 80% of the workforce. Plenty of researchers believe that, in the long run, automation brings more benefits than harm. The topic has been widely studied, especially in relation to job impacts within the manufacturing sector. One influential report from the Center for Economic Policy Research challenges the common fear that robots replace human workers. In fact, CEPR found that for every additional robot per 1,000 workers in the automotive industry, total employment actually went up by 1.3%. Similarly, the well-known book, Human Plus Machine, Reimagining Work in the Age of AI, highlights artificial intelligence as a job creator, but only if companies are willing to invest in it. According to the authors, AI isn't just a replacement for human labor, it's a catalyst for entirely new roles and opportunities. Artificial intelligence has become the architect of a new era in work, seamlessly transforming the mundane into opportunities for creativity and innovation. Gone are the days when repetitive tasks monopolized human effort. AI now steps in as the diligent worker, processing data, managing workflows, and enhancing efficiency across industries. In manufacturing, autonomous robots hum with precision, assembling products faster than ever imagined. Financial systems, armed with robotic process automation, sift through endless data to flag anomalies and streamline transactions. Human resources embrace AI-driven recruitment tools that can evaluate a sea of resumes in moments, pinpointing talent with unmatched accuracy. Even customer interactions, once riddled with wait times and frustration, are revolutionized by intelligent chatbots, responding instantly and intuitively. Creative fields, too, find AI muse, drafting content, designing visuals, and sparking ideas at the click of a button. Yet this newfound automation demands balance. As machines take on more, they spark questions about job security, ethical practices, and the human touch. Reskilling employees becomes not just an option but a necessity, ensuring people and technology work hand in hand, each complementing the other's strengths. AI in work automation is not about replacing humans, it's about elevating them. It frees minds to dream bigger and act bolder, redefining the workplace into a harmonious blend of human ingenuity and machine precision. Together, they craft a vision for the future where possibility is limitless and efficiency knows no bounds. 1.41 Make. Make is a tool that allows you to automate many business processes. It combines various applications and web services, which allows you to create an automated workflow. We can improve project management, data analysis, or even customer service. The site has an intuitive interface that makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of their skills. The tool also has a range of ready-made templates and applications. It also offers support for various programming languages and integration with popular services such as Google Sheets or Slack. Thanks to this, people with technical skills can create more advanced solutions and adapt them to the individual needs of their company. However, even without these skills, you can configure many automatic processes using a simple drag-and-drop system. If you want to improve your skills, the site has a Make Academy tab, where you will find many courses divided into individual sections. Make Academy. There is also Make Community, which functions as a forum where you can ask a question and get an answer and discuss various topics related to the site. You can also join their YouTube channel to learn about different topics regarding AI and how Make can help your company, @itsmake. Special attention should be paid to the security of data processed by Make. Inappropriate storage or sharing of confidential information can result in a breach of user privacy or loss of important data. To prevent this, it is worth following the security rules in force in the organization and using the encryption and authentication functions offered by Make. When creating an account, we are asked to answer 4 questions, which later allow us to better adapt the site to us. The first question concerns who we are. The second describes what we want to automate. The third question concerns our experience with automating work systems. The fourth question is about the size of the organization in which we will automate the work. The last question concerns how we know about the Make platform. After creating an account, we gain access to the full panel of the site. To create automation, we must select the application or services that we want to connect with each other, and then set the appropriate conditions and actions for each element of the scenario. It is important to test the created settings before implementing them in your business. One of the popular applications of Make is automatically adding new contacts to the mailing list. For example, in the case of an online store, it is possible to collect email addresses of customers who have made a purchase. Instead of manually entering this data into the mailing system, you can use Make to create a workflow that automatically adds a new contact to the list after each successful order. Simply connect your online store to your email marketing platform using the available modules in Make. Another interesting example is the integration of Google Calendar with the Trello application, when using both of these project management and meeting planner tools. Make allows you to automatically create new cards in Trello based on calendar events. This way, when you add a new meeting to your calendar, Make will automatically create a corresponding card in Trello, allowing you to have better control over tasks and deadlines. However, it is worth remembering that each workflow can be customized to suit your individual business needs and requirements. Therefore, it is a good idea to spend time exploring the different modules and features offered by the tool to find the best solutions for your business. 1.5. AI in browsing. Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a key role in efficiently searching and organizing online resources in the digital era, where the amount of information available online is growing exponentially. AI has significantly improved search engine algorithms, using machine learning to better understand user intentions, delivering more relevant and personalized results, and interpreting the context and semantics of queries. Natural language processing, NLP technologies, enable the analysis and understanding of queries entered in natural language, effective searches in various languages and dialects, and automatic translation of content, facilitating access to information from around the world. AI can also analyze visual content, which allows for image search, identification of objects and scenes in video materials, and automatic tagging and categorization of multimedia content. AI systems track user behavior to tailor search results to individual preferences, suggest related content and sources, and anticipate user information needs. In the era of fake news, AI helps identify potentially false or misleading information, checking the credibility of sources and aggregating and comparing information from various sources. AI also powers intelligent assistants that respond to voice and text queries, help navigate online resources, and provide quick answers based on huge databases. In addition, AI improves the website indexing process by identifying new and updated content more quickly, categorizing and organizing information more effectively, and improving the quality and currency of search engine indexes. Artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, bringing new possibilities in the field of searching internet resources, which allows users to find the information they need faster and more accurately, significantly impacting work efficiency and access to knowledge on a global scale.